Step 19. Understanding Amazon fees and profit margins. Before you celebrate sales, it's crucial to understand Amazon's fees. Knowing your costs ensures you're truly making a profit. Amazon referral fee. Amazon charges a referral fee for every item sold, usually between 8% and 15%, depending on the category. Fulfillment fees. Pick and pack, storage costs. For FBA, you'll pay fulfillment fees that cover picking, packing, and shipping, plus storage fees for products in Amazon's warehouses. Other costs. Advertising, PPC, tools and software. Shipping from supplier. Don't forget additional costs like advertising, sourcing tools, and shipping from your supplier to Amazon. Calculating profit margin. Use this formula, sales minus all costs, divided by sales, to get your profit margin percentage. Aim for at least 25 to 30%. Use fee calculators. Amazon FBA Calculator. Helium 10. Amazon's FBA Calculator are third-party tools like Helium 10 help estimate fees and profit before you launch. Up next, Step 19. Tracking sales and profits. Now that you understand fees and margins, the next step is tracking your sales and profits in real time to grow smart.